So I hope you have understood. Now this is the position and I am giving these two rooks to you. So one by one, you will be telling me the move. So first, Riddhi, start. What will be your first move? Riddhi. Next is Sia. Be ready.
Sir, it rook will come can come. This rook will come. This rook can come here.
Here means where? Here or here or here. You know the name of the squares, no, beta? So which square it will come? See, this is H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8. Or
In
G
G2.
in G2. Okay, perfect move. Good. I came over here. Next, Sia.
Sir, I'll move that H1 rook to H3.
H3. Bad move. Here, this king is attacking this rook. So if you move your king over here, my next move will be this. Rook gone. So when there is an attack on the rook, what you should have done? Either support, both are supporting now, or you can go away. Do not leave this line, that's all. So both are correct moves. So what you will choose? Going here or this over here? What do you choose?
Going away.
Going away. Okay, I'll come over here. Next, next is Ananya. I have already told. Your move. कमान अनन्या मिस्टेक झाली तरी चालेल बाळा काही हरकत नाहीये झाली तर झाली
Rook will go to A3.
will go to a3. I cannot say this is wrong move basically, but here you are leaving this line. अपने को रुक किंग को यहाँ पर पुश करना है ना, तो डू नॉट लीव दिस लाइन. उसको पुश करना है तो नीचे का लाइन छोड़ना ही नहीं है. You understand it? But here in this particular position, this move is better because king has to move up. King cannot come over here. It will get mate very early, basically, because this border is very near. तो जो near border है उधर जल्दी mate हो जाएगा ना. So this I will take this move as very positively, a good move. Okay. So my king moves over here. Next, Soumya.
Sir, the rook will move to G1.
Rook will move to G1. Absolutely bad move. See, you are catching horizontal line. That means you are going to give check also horizontal line. Then why you are now trying to catch vertical line? No, I said this is only not good. No crisscross. So please tell me some other move. This is a bad move.
So, sir, we will move A3 rook to A4.
A3 to A4. I'll come over here now. Himanshi.
So we'll move H1 rook to D1.
D1. Okay, fine. I will come over here. Next, Ira.
Sir, rook will come to
Which rook?
this.
This rook or this rook? First or
This rook.
second? First. Second.
No.
Second. Okay, this rook.
Yes.
Where it will go?
Yeah.
Name of
D3.
E3. A good move. I'll come over here. Dev.
Rook in D3 should run away.
Should where? No, you tell me only one move. No or. You decide pick and you tell me.
We can run to H3.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, I am coming over here. Next, Ranveer.
Sir, the rook in A4 will come to A2.
Perfect. Nihar. 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 Where is Nihar? यार है ही नहीं क्या? ऐसा कैसे वो भूल हो गया? ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आदित्य.
Sir, Nihar is not in the meeting.
Yeah, okay, but Aditya is there.
Yes.
Yeah, then tell me here it is your. I'm waiting for your answer. Come on, Aditya. Come on, Aditya. Are you there? Aditya, beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Problem goes to Prithvi. Prithvi.
So H3 rook will come to H2.
They will come to H2. Very good. Very good. Okay. This over here. Now, Riddhi. Come on, Riddhi.
Which is, so
Right?
H2 rook will come in H1.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Last all moves were correct. This is checkmate. Good. Excellent. So let us hope that you will solve another win. Think carefully. I have added one pawn, and this pawn, I'll keep this over here. This pawn will go over here. Once this reaches over here, it can become queen. It can become king. So what you have to do is now, you have to checkmate this king, and how you will do it.
Means black or white?
व्हाइट के पास दो रुख है तो व्हाइट को ब्लैक को चेकमेट करना है. ब्लैक को कोई नहीं, ब्लैक के पास एक पॉन एक्स्ट्रा दिया है मैंने. आपको वो पॉन का क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है, कब करना है, कहाँ करना है, आपके ऊपर है.
Sir, can we kill the?
You can think और चांस अभी किसका है, सिया का है. I think so. Siya will start.
Sir,
Yes.
H1 rook will move to F1.
Perfect. Good one. I'll come over here. Next, Ananya. Come on. Come on, Ananya, beta. Speak something.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Ananya. Okay, next move you don't know. Fine. So you pass. No issues. Absolutely no issues. Huh? You will learn that. Samia.
Sir, H2 rook will come to E2.
H2 will come to E2. Fine. Fine. So now this is a check. Okay. This will go over here. Next. Himanshi. Good move. But better move was there. Better than this move was present over there. I'll tell you later. Himanshi, your move.
Yes, sir. Um, so we'll
I have added only one pawn and it is making a lot of changes. Come on.
sir, I think that that if one rook will move to
Which rook?
F1,
F1 rook will move to where?
mm, no, sir.
Don't
5
worry,
seconds, sir.
Himanshi. Try to understand. Even if you are wrong, important thing is that you must take the decision. Ananya, you also listen. You must take the decision. क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा wrong होगा चलेगा ना. कौन तुझे कोई punishment करने के लिए आने वाला है यहाँ पे? Nobody. तू जितनी बार रॉन्ग हो जाएगी उतना तू सीखेगी. मिस्टेक से ही आदमी सीखता है ना बेटा. So don't be worried about mistakes. Don't ever be worried about mistakes. लेकिन not taking any decision is very bad. Take the decision. Whether it is bad or good, we will decide it afterwards. You don't know, na? So you take the decision in good faith with utilizing all your knowledge. You take the decision, no issues. So I want to move from it.
Sir, I think E2 rook should move to F2.
Absolutely perfect. Saint percent, 100% this move was correct. No other move was warranted over here. No other move was required. See, you took the decision and it was right. You had the confidence. Now everybody pay attention. What is the plan here? So both the rooks are attacking this. This rook is also attacking and this rook is also attacking on same pawn. So there are two attacks and only one support. So who will win? Attacker or supporter?
Attacker.
Attacker will win. So very clearly this pawn is becoming a thorn for you. Before you have to mate this king, you have to take out this thorn. बरोबर ना. पायामध्ये काटा उरकलाय, तो काटा काढायचा आहे तरच आपण पळू शकतो. हा काटा आपल्याला काढून टाकायचा आहे. म्हणून काय केलं, दोन अटॅक केले. फक्त एकानेच अटॅक जर का केला असता ना, ह्याने एकट्याने हा अटॅक आहे ह्याला मारलं तर हा पण मारणार, म्हणजे तुमच्याकडे एकच रुक राहिला. सो विच इज बॅड. सो एकट्याने अटॅक करण्यात काही पॉइंट नाहीये. देयर इज नो पॉइंट. सो double attack is beautiful one. Good. Now this I am coming over here. Next, Ira.
Sir, rook will go to E2.
No. Don't teach her. Ira, you take the decision. You take the decision. Whatever you feel, you tell me. Your feelings are more important. What you said? E2 पर लेना है. Rook E2. Ira. Yes or no? Come on, Ira. Otherwise, question will pass. You take the decision.
Rook will capture the pawn.
Oh, that was good decision. That was a good decision. And this is a check. Good. Very good decision. Attack किया है तो execute भी करो. Earlier you were telling about rook to E2. This rook to E2 and check. But your father corrected you. But that is good. Okay, fine. You understood now why taking the capturing the pawn was essential. Otherwise, you cannot mate that king. Okay. Next, Dev.
Sir, the rook in F1 will come to F3 to give support to the rook above.
But the support is already there. But still, you are right. This is a good move. This is a good move. Yeah, this came over here. Ranveer.
Sir, the rook in F4 will come to F6.
F4 will come in F6. F6 here.
Yes.
Bad move. Bad move. Because you now the king is moving this way. Okay. And again, you are asking king to come back, which is bad. This is bad. What you should have done over here is move this
F5.
here. That's all.
Yes.
तो पहले ये कैच किया था, अभी ये कैच करना है. तो इसके स्क्वायर्स कम रहते ना उसके पास. Okay, so this was the correct move and this wasn't correct move. Next, Nihar. Nihar is there or not? Nihar gone, no? Nihar gone. Aditya.
No, sir. Nihar has joined the meeting again.
Join, no? Okay, Nihar, then tell me what would be your move?
Sir,
Yes.
I will bring the rook from f6 to e6.
Sir, can't hear you.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, no.
F6,
I'll bring the rook from f3 to e3.
E3. Bad move. Gone. No support. There was a support. This was doing the duty of supporting his team member. Now he is not doing the duty of the duty. What happened? Security is not there now. Gone. Bad move. Bad move. Bad move. Next. Who is next? Prithvi. Prithvi. Prithvi, beta. Are you able to listen? Prithvi.
Sir, Aditya left the meeting.
Aditya left the meeting. Okay, fine. So you never find this. After this move, we are going to stop. But what I am going to do is this particular session is very important. Okay, so I have already recorded these sessions in part 1 and part 2. Within next half an hour, you please go on YouTube. Okay, and on YouTube you type Pinnacle Academy. Okay, so our channel is there and you will find today's date and timing and you will get the
So
video.
what to
Normal.
so in YouTube we have to see video. But what to tell that video name?
Video name, you did not have to find the name. You find the name Pinnacle Academy. Ours is the Pinnacle Academy. So Pinnacle Academy has got a channel, YouTube channel. And once you go to that channel and when you subscribe that channel, what will happen? Every time I upload a new video, you will get the notification and you can search for today's date. You search for today's date. Date will be there, Chess with Pinnacle, today's date and part 1 and part 2, like 2 sessions will be there. Okay?
Sir,
Yes. क्या बना है?
what is the channel's name?
Pinnacle Academy. I will send you the link today. You just subscribe it. Everybody understood this? Sia, Samia, Prithvi, Ira, Himanshi, Ranveer. So today I will send the link. You just subscribe to that link. So next time you don't have to go anywhere. Simply आपको मिल ही जाएगा अपने आप notification. Okay. So I will stop here. Somebody take the pic of the Prithvi. This particular position, take a pic और मोबाइल पर है तो ये करो क्या screenshot.
I took the screenshot.
Yeah, perfect. So we will continue from this position.
Sir, I have also taken.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye everybody.
Bye, sir.